Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to book extra legroom seats on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, frequent flyer, and in the very middle of the screen, we have the book a trip option, where you can obviously go and book a trip. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book extra legroom seats on Qantas. So first of all, go to the website as I told you, and of course, then click on Manage Booking tab and enter your booking reference and last name. You can do that by clicking on the top right corner, then clicking on My Bookings, and here you can go and click on Manage Booking, as you can see here. Then you just need to put in your book, the reference and last name, click Continue, and if you have a flight, you'll have that option. Then find the option to select seat and choose an extra legroom seat. These seats are typically located in the exit row or bulkhead. Review the seat map and confirm your selection. A fee may be applied depending on your flight and seat type. Follow the prompts to complete your booking. Extra legroom seats offer additional space and start from 34 inches of pitch. They can be purchased up to 2 hours before departure on international flights and 1 hour before departure on domestic flights. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.